How to show your distance in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Settings. Simply tap on Settings. Now, we in this Settings interface. Here, there's an option called Privacy Settings. Tap on Privacy Settings. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Show My Distance. So make sure you turn it on, and as you can see, this has been enabled. So after you turn this on, your distance will be turned on and other people and viewers will be able to see the distance you're in. So basically it is a way to connect people near or around you. So you can simply go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.